Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get nice round circles when you're beading. I start by loading my beads and then I utilize gravity to get the right shape. So you can see here I just have my felt tipped to the side so that I can easily lay them where I want them to go. I find this is more effective than trying to hold it with your finger. And you can see it kind of goes diagonally across when it's pulled tight. And then I'm going to use my fingernail to create the curve shape and use that as my guide and then tack. I find this easiest when I have my nails grown out and they're a little bit longer, but it does still work when you're just using your thumbnail and it is short and cut. When it comes to tacking, I like to tack every 2 beads. You can see right here, I'm just correcting. Also, if you tack and you find it is not creating the shape you want, you can do what I did there, undo it, and try to replace it. And that's much better. So continue tacking and holding it with your nail to keep it in the exact shape that you want. Make sure you're tacking lightly and following that curve. A quick thing I want to say here is I find that my circles are better when I start with the outline and work my way into the middle versus starting in the middle and working your way out. Once we have finished tacking this first section, we're then going to go through the whole piece with our thread. So I'm going to come up right at the beginning and then I'm going to put my thread through. Since we're doing a curve, it's going to take 2 parts. So I'm going straight here, pulling, and then going through the next section like this. You can also use this time to correct your beads if you need to. If something isn't quite sitting right, you can use this method of putting your thread through the beads to help guide them a little bit more. And you can see there's our curve so far. And then we're going to do our second section just a little bit faster. So again, I'm kind of utilizing gravity. I'm not putting my finger over the beads. And then I'm using my nail as a guide. And you can also see the outline there. So I can push it out to that outline. And using those 2 techniques at once makes my curve really nice. Once we've finished tacking this section, we're going to go through the whole thing again. And you can see as I've tacked it, that first bead isn't quite sitting right, so I'm going to start my section just before it. And you can see that that corrected it and got it right in line. There you go. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any other techniques that you'd like me to show you via the comment section. Thanks so much for watching.